This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone, welcome to KKR Coders JavaScript tutorials. My name is Kosu Srinivas. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to declare variables in JavaScript. A very important concept. Every program we have to use a number of variables. These variables must be declared before they are before they are initialized, before they are calculating, before they are printing, before they are using any operations. These variables must be declared. Okay, now declare variables. Declare variables. Declare variables. Declare variables in JavaScript. This is the process. How to declare the variables in JavaScript? First point, what is variable? What is variable? Example, what is a variable? A variable is a value. A variable is a value. This value can be changed. Can be changed. Can be changed during execution of the program. During execution of the program. For example, we want to perform the addition of the two numbers, c equal to a plus b. Here, a is a variable and the b is a variable. These two variables, add the variables, and the result is assigned to c. For example, a value equal to 10 and the b value equal to 8, c equal to a plus b. To perform the operation, and after printing the c value is print of c, and document dot write of c. Document dot write of c. Value print on the screen. Now the value of the c is 18. For example, we want to print the values of 18 and 80. So the value of the c value is 180. For example, a value equal to 100, the b value equal to 800, value of c is 900. Because based on the a and b, value of the c can be changed. That means variable a is a variable, value can be changed. B is a variable, the value can be changed. C is a variable, this value can be changed during execution of the program. The value can be changed. The value cannot be fixed. For example, find the area of a rectangle, area of a circle. The formula is a equal to pi r square. Here, pi is a constant. That means the value is 3.14. The value cannot be changed because the pi is a constant. Here, example, the r is equal to, sometimes r is equal to 5. Sometimes the r equal to 10. Sometimes the r value equal to 75. So sometimes the r value equal to 90. So based on the r value, the a value also can be changed. That's why a and r are the variables. Okay, is a constant. A variable is a value. This value can be changed during execution of the program. Okay, guys, clear up to here. Now the second point is variables means, okay, value can be changed during execution of the program. The process of creating a variable, the process of creating variable, process of creating a variable is known as declaration of variable. Declaring a variable is a creating a variable is known as a declaring a variable. Now in JavaScript, variables names must have unique name. A variable names must have unique names. Once you declare a variable, the variable cannot be used once again. Now JavaScript variable names are case sensitive. In JavaScript, variable names are case sensitive. That is example. That is okay. A variable a is variable a, small a is different from capital A. Both are different variables, but not the same variable. Capital A is one variable and the small a is another variable. Both are the different variables. JavaScript variables are case sensitive. Now, the next one, declaring a variable syntax. Variables are declared with the keyword var. In JavaScript, it is very important. In JavaScript, variables are declared which keyword with the keyword var. With the keyword is var. In JavaScript, all the variables must be declared with the keyword is var. Once we declare the variable var keyword, that means the variable is the a is a variable. The value can be changed during execution of the program. In JavaScript, all the variables must be declared with the keyword is var. And the next one is the declaration syntax is the declaration syntax is var variable name and followed by the semicolon. For example, here var is a keyword. var is a keyword. Variable name is a name of the variable. Clear, guys? It's a very important name of the variable. var followed by the variable. var followed by the name of the variable. That is the okay. Now, for example, example 71, example 1, to declare a variable, to declare or to create a variable, to declare a variable. Okay, example 1, var x is a variable, var y is a variable, var z is a variable, var a is a variable, var r is a variable. In JavaScript, to declare the only variable cannot be assigned the data type of the variable. Other programming language like C, C++, and Java, all these programming language, declaration and data type, declaring the variable and include the data type. Here, no need of the specifying the data type. Okay, the variable is declared without any data type. The data type is assigned when the value is assigned without data type, to simply declaring the variable. So now this is example 1, to declaring a variable. So variable, to declare one variable, x is a variable, y is a variable, z is a variable, a is a variable, r is a variable. These variables store integer data type. These variables store either float type or string type or boolean type. For example, example 2, to declare a variable, okay, and assign the value declare the variable and assign the value. Example, var I equal to 1. Declaring the variable and initialize the value. Assign the value and initialize. Declaration and initialize. Okay. Initialize the value. I is a variable. Initialize the value 1. Here I is a variable, integer type variable. For example, declare the variable var count equal to 0. Count is a variable. Initialize the value is 0. And one variable, for example, var average equal to, for example, 95.90. The average is a variable. Data type is a float type. Declare the variable and initialize the value. Declaring the variable and initialize the value by using the var keyword. Example, var name equal to, for example, Kusu Srinivas. Name equal to Kusu Srinivas. Here, name is a variable. This variable is a string type variable. This variable is string type variable. var subject equal to, for example, JavaScript. This string in JavaScript, string variables are enclosed to either single quotes or double quotes. Both are same, no difference. So name is a string variable. For declaring the string variable, initialize the value Kusu Srinivas in single quotes. The subject is a variable. The variable value is assigned the value JavaScript. The variable value assigned the value JavaScript and close in the double quotes. JavaScript string variables initialization either single quotes or double quotes to declare a variable and initialize the value. And the third example, and here the example 3, third example, declaring a variable and initialize at same time more than one variable. Declare a multiple variables with the same var keyword. Okay, the example 3, you can declare multiple variables with the same var keyword, and separating each variable with with a comma, with a comma, with a comma. And each variable with a comma, separating each variable with a comma. The third example, you can declare multiple variables, that means more than one variable, the same keyword. For example, var x, y, z. var x, y, z. That means x, y, z are variables, same type. That means var a, B, C, declaring more than variable. var name, subject, m1, m2, m3. More than one variables, single var keyword, more than one variables, separated by separating each variable with a comma. Each variable, m3 one variable, m2 one variable, separating comma. m2 one variable, m1 one variable, separating comma. Okay, clear? And the fourth example, okay, creating more than one variable, you can declare more than one variable, okay, more than one variables with initialization. Now var, a value one value, b value one value, c value one value. Okay, with initialization. A equal to 10, comma, and the b equal to 20, comma, and c equal to 30, comma. Okay, subject equal to JavaScript. Is it clear? So there are the four variables. One variable is A, one variable is B, one variable is C, one variable is subject. Okay, with declaring a more than one variable with var, only one var keyword, initialize the some values. Clear, guys? Up to here, all of you, right? Okay, multiple variables in a single line. Declaring a multiple variables in a single line. Clear up to here, all of you? What is variable? How to declare a variables? And these are the up to 6 points. And the 7th point is very important, is in JavaScript, declaring a variable without var keyword. Okay, in JavaScript, declaring a variable without var keyword. It is also possible. Also possible in JavaScript, declaring a variable without var keyword. JavaScript allows variable declaration without var keyword. That is, you must assign value. You must assign a value, okay, when you declare a variable without var keyword. Simply you are writing example A, which is wrong. A is not a variable, but declaring the variable var A. Okay, clear. var A is clear. But here in this the 7th point is declaring a variable without var keyword. Now you must assign a value when you declare a variable value equal to 10. Okay, that means A is a variable. The data type of A is integer type. Clear, guys? These are the 7 steps required to declare a variable in JavaScript. Okay, all these examples. So now we are explaining with each and every one by one. Now go to JavaScript. Now here very important point. The variable declaration, variables must be declared within the JavaScript keyword. So now one is HTML. Okay. Another tag is head tag. Okay. And one more tag is script tag. Here. Okay. Now here script. Okay. End of the head tag. Clear. And end of the HTML tag. Clear. The variables, for example, we are declaring a variable. var, one variable, A equal to 10. That's clear. Variable value, var, simply declaring the variable. Here, declare a variable. var, A is a variable declaring without any data type. Initialize the value, A equal to 10, semicolon. Okay. And this one into the document of the document dot write of, okay, value of A equal to, okay, plus A. Value of A equal to the value of A and semicolon. Clear, guys? The simple program, and save the script and run the script. Okay, clear? The value of A is equal to 10. Clear, output is coming. Right. So declare a variable one line, declaring a variable one line, initialize the value one line, and print the value one line. Now here both are in same line. Both are in same line. JavaScript is possible. Declaration and initialization in only one line. Declaration and initialization. Save the document and run the program. Save the document and run the program. The output is coming. P r equal to A equal to value 10. Clear, guys? For example, right, more than one time. For example, declaring B equal to 20. For example, C equal to 30. Declaring the more than one variable of same line, initialize. Value of A is okay. Similarly, value of B is similarly value of C is. Document are write of value of A, value of B, and value of C. So, for example, value of A here and the value of B, and here the value of C. The value of the C. Now run the document, save the document, script, and run the script. Okay. Okay. Only one var keyword. Value of A, value of B, and value of C. If you want to print the more next line, for example, plus break. Okay. Okay. Run this document. Okay. Save this one. Clear, guys? Clear, guys? And the next one. For example, the variables must be declared without var keyword also possible. Without var keyword also possible. In JavaScript, without var keyword also possible. The A value 10, B value 20, and C value 30. Print the values on the screen, but must be initialize the values. Must be initialize the values. A value 10 and B value 20. Without initialization, it displays the error message. Without initialization, it has some error message. Now here, without initialization, save and run. The output cannot be displayed. Okay, without any output, without any. Please observe this one. Without any. So that's why we are initializing a value equal to, for example, Python. Okay. B value equal to C. For example, C equal to Java. Okay. You can use either integer value or string value. Okay. Save the document and run this one. The value of A, Python. Value of B, C language. Value of C is Java. Clear, guys? This is the process to declare a variables in JavaScript with var keyword or without var keyword also possible. Okay, guys? Thank you very much for watching this video. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you very much. Bye.